You can't see me.
Oh no! What a tragedy.
There's Helen.
Nah.
In my messy room behind me. I have to clean it. Because it's getting really bad.
She gets to help, even though I wasn't here.
You like cleaning my room for some reason.
I do.
You're weird. You can do it. I don't care. I wouldn't mind.
Clean your room because I love your room.
I hate my room. I hate how it gets all messy. Other than that, I love my room.
You always have that on your hand.
I know. It's permanent. I'm keeping it there.
Forever?
Yep.
And ever?
Yep.
And ever?
And once I'm of legal age, I'm going to get it tattooed on there. Maybe.
Awesome.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Because you know how I am about needles and tattoos. They're nasty. I might just continue writing it with Sharpie.
Forever?
Forever.
And ever?
And never.
And ever?
Forever and ever. So much I said ever twice.
That's awesome.
Look at my shirt.
My
Superman.
hair is being thick. Your hair is being awesome.
I know. It's because I dried it awesomely. When it was still wet. Yeah, but I dried mine when it was still wet.
I did too. Sort of.
Mine was really wet. So. Look at my Kesha makeup. You can't tell it's glittery.
Glittery?
Glittery and gold. Here's my
red gold.
wall of Justin Bieber. And my hipster lights.
But they've probably seen 5 billion times.
Yeah, probably. But you know.
Yes.
We all know that, Helen. I'm gonna put on my Justin Bieber silly bands and my Hello Kitty silly bands. Move back up. Okay, Justin Bieber.
No. I got a porcelain doll for Christmas and I gave it to my mom because I'm scared of them now.
Hate dolls. That's like my number one phobia. Back.
Oh my gosh! You're so mean to them.
Justin Bieber cinema! So, let's see what I have here. I got Justin Bieber singing with his hat on.
Yes.
I got his hat. Headphones. His awesome headphones that I see in his pictures like all the time. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh. It's a heart saying JB. But all you can see is the B.
Because it's messed up.
Music notes with hearts. His hat again.
Oh!
Music notes. I heart JB. And that's basically it. That's all the Justin Bieber silly bands that I have. Oh my goodness, I have Justin Bieber silly bands. It's like my dream to have Justin Bieber silly bands. Even though silly bands are out of style now, I still wanted Justin Bieber ones, so now I have them. I'm never taking them off. That's it. Now my Hello Kitty ones. I got Hello Kitty ones for Christmas, along with Justin Bieber ones, but they came in late, and so did my late Christmas presents. Yeah. We're watching Shake It Up in the background. Shake It Up. Even though we're like 14. Who cares? We can still watch the Disney Channel. Even though they're really corny. Hello Kitty. These are huge. The Hello Kitty silly bands. They're humongous. Look at these. Hey!
Hold on. Oh, we're coming slowly.
A little bit big.
Coming with my luggage.
It's
Some of it.
what?
Majority of my luggage.
Hello Kitty. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Heart Nerds.
Yeah.
Is it a keychain?
Yes, it is.
Apple. Another apple.
I got another keychain.
As you can tell, we like Hello Kitty.
Shut up.
So we're seen like that. Not.
We got nail followers, even though I probably won't need them.
I never file
They're
my
just so
nails.
cute.
Yeah.
Here's a mirror. A mirror. Open.
I also got this. It hangs up. Watch. I put it on my bed, but it always falls. Yeah, let me see what the camera looked like. I love the roses.
I should have more. Should have more than that. But I do have more in here. I have sugar buns.
Usually we both get the same things from my mom
Because we
because
both like the same thing.
yeah, because we're both basically like sisters. I got the same thing as her, of course,
Oh, cute.
for confirmation class at church. Stickers.
Stickers!
I love stickers.
Yes!
I already have a few up on my bed frame.
Pencils. Pens.
Gel pens.
Jelly pens. I have two of these now. I think I got the same one for Christmas. By somebody. I forget. Erasers! And the bag. Hello Kitty. Justin Bieber silly pants. Ah!
One of the best presents ever. Hello Kitty.
Oh.
So sugary.
Let's see here. I'm keeping it weird.
I ate one.
Oh, here's his hat.
It's the same colors as mine. Both of my hats. I think they're all the same colors. Yeah, they are. Like the same packages.
They're so cute.
Yeah, sorry. Check my hair. Awesome sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Look at it.
Look at it! Look at it! What is this supposed to be? A broken heart?
No, it's B. See the B?
Oh! I say it. I say it.
It's also on the package.
I'm a bee.
Proactive. And then that. I have one size as my wallpaper. Is that creepy? I also have a huge collage of her. If you could see some of it over there, behind Helen's huge head. Her George Lopez head. Yeah.
Me and George Lopez would be big-headed together.
You do that.